In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your mirror on a 2016 to 2020 Kia Optima. The mirror cover is held in by clips. Use a plastic trim tool, wedge in between, and then use your fingers and you can remove the mirror cover. The wire harness is under the door panel. You can lift up the wire harness a little bit, push down the little tab, and release the wire harness that way. But if you feel like it's not enough room, this is how you remove the door panel. Use a pick or a small flathead and remove this little cover. And to remove this plastic cover, do the same thing, go in a corner and then pry it out. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and then you can remove the two bolts that are holding in the panel. Now the door panel is just held in by clips. You can use a clip remover like this, or a flathead, or just your hand. And after removing all the clips, you will be able to remove the door panel. And that will give you more access to the wire harness right here. Using a Phillips head, you can remove this screw completely. This screw just holds the mirror in place while putting it in. Now you can use a 10mm socket and remove the 3 bolts. This will remove the mirror completely, so make sure you hold the mirror from the other side if you don't want it to fall out. And to put it back in, just reverse all the steps.